Hello, I'm Phil Jackson for DASMI, and I'm going to detail our vast market opportunities. So let's get started. We begin with the government sector. Now, we've identified 24,000 agencies as potential paying customers. Now, these customers include law enforcement, such as police and sheriff's departments, fish and wildlife enforcement, as well as campus, hospital, and airport police agencies. The court system. DASMI offers a unique pre-trial solution which automates the bail and bonding process, and we are currently designing an in-court solution for judges. We also have a platform for incarceration, which includes city and county jails, along with state and federal prisons. As for supervision, one of our most groundbreaking technologies will improve the effectiveness of probation and parole. The criminal justice system is in the wheelhouse for the DASMI team. With over 200 years of combined experience across the United States, at every agency level, we know the corrections industry better than anyone. The DASMI Agency App product line has a total available market approaching $100 million in annual revenue. DASMI fares well in the business-to-business market. The private sector is a treasure trove of opportunity. Over 6 million companies in the US have employees, and 92% of these employers conduct background checks. DASMI will target the 100,000 largest firms with a minimum of 100 employees. These are the most likely to participate in a socially conscious program backed by so many advocacy groups. Home ownership rates are at a 50-year low. The US has over 110 million renters, and 80% of those are subjected to tenant screening. 66% of colleges conduct criminal background checks on their students. 3 million CDL and 1 million hazardous material drivers are screened annually. The number of background checks for non-profits and other types of organisations has multiplied exponentially. So by now, you're getting the idea. The background check industry is a multi-billion-dollar market and will only continue to grow. Over 1,000 companies offer background checking services in the US. DASMI is offered as a direct-to-consumer service and to resellers as the ultimate add-on product to background providers. The total addressable market for DASMI's B2B product is purely speculative at this point, but it is safe to say that with the current market trends, the number will be in the hundreds of millions of dollars. The windfall of the DASMI consumer market will be rapid, and it will be massive. 70 million Americans have a criminal record. More people in America have a record than own a dog. More people in America have a record than a college degree. If the people in America were their own country, they would be the 18th largest in the world. 70 million is twice that of the population of Canada. It's more than France and Italy. In fact, 70 million is 3 times the population of my Australia, a continent. So more people than a continent. Well, you can see that. That's a pretty large market. And that number is rising. Over 40,000 people are charged every day in America with a criminal violation. That is the definition of exponential growth. The consumer sector has a total addressable market exceeding $5 billion in annual revenue. And this is just the United States. We're building our platform to be multilingual, and we've identified 29 countries that offer the 2 key indicators necessary for DASMI to enter the market: online credit scores and online background checks. And I can tell you, I know a few blokes here in Australia that could use DASMI today. The markets are tremendous, and the populations are ready for new innovation. DASMI will change everything for the better. Thanks for watching.